Now come to the space of listening. Expansion, changing your decisions for better due to the new intelligence, data, facts available, is not instability. That is not necessary to lead you to self-doubt. Listen, how many of you cognize because of the developments you did due to the latest intelligence available, you have become a self-doubting person? All of you first understand. See, for example, you plan for building a house with 2-story. But suddenly you got little more land, then you decide, why not build some 5-story apartments in that using the whole land and have 2 for ourselves, sell remaining. So why this decision has been taken? Because now you have more land, means the data is updated. Intelligence is updated. So you changed the possibility. But this new decision does not need to lead you to self-doubt. But what you usually do, if you upgrade, change, develop, you feel like, oh, I am always like this only, not stable in anything. If you are shrinking, withdrawing, you get suddenly bored or tired, you become irresponsible about the house, and you dump that land, it is lying in a corner, and you don't even care, then you can have a self-doubt. All of you are getting it, what I am saying? Irresponsibly can lead to self-doubt, not responsibility, not updating. It does not need to lead you to self-doubt. Self-doubt is one of the biggest self-destructive patterns. It is like you tie your leg with a chain to the pole. Can you go anywhere? No. Please listen. Many times in your life, your upgradation makes you with self-doubt. You think you are unstable. Actually, your withdrawal should make you self-doubt, not upgradation. Expansion should not make you doubt yourself. Understand, upgrading is life. That should not create self-doubt in you. It is withdrawal or withdrawal from upgrading should create self-doubts in you. And finally, end of the day, all self-doubts you have to complete. Listen, see the difference between self-doubts which is created in you because of your upgrading and because of your withdrawal. How many of you are able to separate, differentiate and see? If you are not able to, then tell me, I will describe again. How many of you are not able to cognize this? So let me repeat. Please listen, I will repeat. Life is based on the decisions you make. Many times, after you make the decision and before execute it, the data you have to make the decision will get upgraded. For example, you have 40 by 40 site, means land, 40 feet by 40 feet. You decide to build a house. Suddenly, after this decision is made, before you build the house, you have updated data. Now you got 3 more plots. Now you have 4 40 by 40 by 40. Now you have updated data. With this, naturally, you will feel like you may go like, let me build apartment complex, have 2 for me, sell others, 2 other apartments to others. So this decision, if you are not ready to take the responsibility, can be tiring and making you doubt yourself. I am always like this only. Nothing I will execute. I will think, and then confuse, and then confuse, and then confuse. When you create that self-doubt, you will never execute this. Understand, the self-doubting should not be created during expansion. Unfortunately, you create that. Second, even during withdrawal, the self-doubts which are created because of withdrawal is justified but should not be allowed. Self-doubt is created in you in two different situations. One, the situations where you expand, another one, situations where you shrink. Situations where you expand, it should neither be allowed nor justified. Situations where you shrink, it should not be allowed, self-doubt should not be allowed, but it is justified. How many of you are getting it now? So now, whether it is a shrinking time or expanding time, whenever you have suffered with the self-doubt, pen down, we will start the completion process.